Welcome to part 6 of Making the Corvette Great Again. In this episode, we're going to totally redo the inside of this car. It's probably the biggest eyesore on the whole car. The inside, it just looks totally kind of ran through. Stuff is scratched. The seats just have seen better days. All the plastic stuff is looking faded. So we're going to take everything apart. We're going to take out all of the plastic trim rings that go around the stereo and everything. We're going to take all that out. We're going to take the seats out. We're going to take those to a professional guy down the street. You're going to check out his shop. It's pretty cool. He's been doing all kinds of stuff since back in the day. 45 years of experience. So we're going to take the seats over there and we're going to take everything out, vacuum everything, and see also if my interior guy can do the hardtop, because also the hardtop is missing completely the whole headliner. So just these little things that have kind of just fallen away and haven't really been properly replaced. So we're going to do all that stuff, and it's going to look like $1 million when it's done. And it's going to set ours way ahead of all the other ones that are for sale. So stick around while we continue all the hard work.
Everyone, my name is Jose Jovet Catering. We own this business here. We do upholstery. When it comes to high-end upholstery, we can handle it. As you can see, we take care of cars, furniture, boats, restaurant booths, and more. It could be a simple dining chair, or if you have a private jet, bring it on. I take care of it too. I've been working with the aircraft industry for the past 12 years, so I can handle it. I've been doing upholstery since I was 10. My father, he showed me the trade, and it's been 46 years since I've been doing upholstery. Come on in, let me show you. Right here you can see a seat and the console lid that I fixed for a Ford F-150. It used to be like this, and that's what I did for him. I'm waiting on him to bring the truck so I can go ahead and install. We build this furniture from scratch. It goes to a club in Atlanta. It's all leather. It's a 16-foot long. It's a long sofa. And we build the frame, and we're gonna be delivering this next week. Right here you see a vintage car. It's a Camaro Super Sport 1967, and we're gonna be replacing the frame. It's in bad shape. The top is in bad shape, ready to install. Brand new top. Brand new top. This is a Toyota Land Cruiser. We're gonna be fixing the top for this beautiful Jeep. The cover seems to be too big for it, so we're gonna have to cut some. You see, all that is extra. If you see here, you see how it makes like a canvas, right? Like a canopy, but it needs to be like that. That's the way it's supposed to look. 1994 Corvette, and we're gonna be doing the seats. Wait, hold this for me. Grab this for me, put it on the table, please. Thank you. Seats needs to be taken care of. I already went and stripped one of them. Look at that part. That's the bottom of this one. We have the material right here. It's going to be red and black. We have the black material right here too. Perforated material for the inserts. Red all around. It's going to be beautiful because it's going to have that shape on black perforation with these strips. We are located at 11220 Alpharetta Highway, Roswell, Georgia. Anything I can help you with, don't hesitate to call me. 912-596-7607. That's one on the number, and the other one is what?
770-990-6497.
Thank you, guys.
High-end quality.
High-end quality. High-end quality. Yes.